And now the next dance we're going to have a little go through is a dance called the Iris Foxtrot, which starts off in ballroom hold facing the line of dance. Our first 4 bars. We start with 2 walks and a zigzag facing line of dance. Slow, slow, 1, 2, 3, 4. We add 2 more walks down the line, slow, slow, and a rock, quick, quick, slow. If you like to turn back to the glossary of terms in the beginning, you'll find we have given you a zigzag and also a rock. So from the beginning, 2 walks and a zigzag to face the line of dance. 2 walks and a rock, quick, quick, slow. We're now going to chassé against the line of dance, right gentleman, left lady, to finish in promenade. Quick, quick, slow. Moving down the room, 2 walks, slow, slow. Now the gentleman is going to change place with the lady, crossing in front for 2. Slow, slow. At this stage, he's facing the centre. Lady is backing the centre. And from here, we finish the 8 bars with a reverse turn, and the first step is outside of the lady on her left side. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And finish outside of the lady again on her right side. So if we could show you those 4 bars one more time. The chassé against the line, quick, quick, slow. 2 walks to change of place, slow, 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 slow. The reverse turn, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now we'd like to put the first 8 bars together for you. Ready from the beginning, and slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now we come to bars 9 to 12. Bar 9 is a whisk, which we've already showed you. If you go back on your video to the beginning, the whisk. We're going to run 3 down the room, finishing with the right foot outside of partner and lady in front. Slow, quick, quick. We're going to run 3 forward again down the room, slow, quick, quick. Slow, quick, quick. And then chassé to back the line, slow, quick, quick. So I'll just show you that one more time. Remember, we finished the 8th bar outside of partner on the right foot. So we whisk, we 1 to 3, turning lady in line, finishing outside, 3 down the room, and a chassé slow, quick, quick to back the line. So now we'll go from the very beginning, and that's 3/4 of our Iris Foxtrot. Right, so here we are then. We're going to demonstrate for you now the 3/4 of the dance that we've learnt. 2 walks and a zigzag to face the line of dance. 2 walks and a rock on the spot. Chassé back into promenade. 2 walks in promenade to change of place. A reverse turn, finishing outside of partner on the right foot. Into a whisk. We run 3, turning lady in line, finishing outside. Into 3 forward walks, and a chassé, quick, quick. And now we come to the last 3 bars of the dance. The boy steps back on the left, turning sharply to the right to face the line, and step forward onto the right foot. We go forward left, gen lady right foot back into your whisk, slow, quick, quick, And then just forward side close, turning lady to face you, slow, quick, quick. So now we're going to do the whole of Iris Foxtrot. 2 walks and a zigzag to face the line of dance. 2 walks and a rock. Chassé against the line into promenade. 2 walks into change of place to face the centre. A reverse turn, finishing right foot outside of partner. A whisk, run 3, turning lady in line. Run 3 with lady in front. A chassé to back the line. A sharp turn to the right to face the line. A whisk, and forward side close, turning lady to face.